Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to join a Kahoot game on the Kahoot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the join button down below, which is in the middle. That's the third option. After that you should tap on either the enter pin or scan QR code. Here you should type in a valid pin code, and if it is working, tap on enter, and then if it's a valid code you will be directed to a Kahoot game that you can start playing. If you click on the scan QR code button, you will be able to scan a QR code, and then if it's a valid code you will be able to play with a Kahoot game. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.